In this video we look at the from import statement, which lets you grab specific tools from a module and use them directly in your code. A module is like a toolbox. Normally you carry the whole toolbox everywhere. With from import, you just slip the one tool you need into your pocket. On line 1, we write from math import sqrt. This reaches into the math module and pulls out only the square root function. Because we imported sqrt directly, we just call sqrt of 16 without writing math.sqrt. Python already knows where it came from. When we run the file, Python prints 4.0. The square root of 16 is 4, returned as a floating point number. Sometimes a module name is long to type every time. Adding as np after the import gives numpy a short nickname for the rest of your file. Now, instead of writing numpy.array, we write np.array. The alias np refers to the same module, just a shorter name. The star import pulls everything from a module at once. It feels convenient, but hides where names come from and can cause hard-to-find bugs. Stick to importing only what you need. Remember, from import lets you pick exactly the tools you need. Use an alias with as to keep long names short. And always be specific. Never use the star import in real projects.